In this video, we're going to talk about how to rank videos on YouTube fast, which is a review of the Affiliate Tube Success course by Paul Murphy, otherwise known as ATS. The start of the video, we run through kind of a look at what the 24-hour ranking system is. This is a free course, which I'll put a link to below. It's worth around $997, but you can get it free today. However, it's really well worth it. So I'm going to give you a quick review of the course. And then after that, I'm going to give you some examples that show you how it works. I'll have a little pop onto the Facebook group and show you that. And there is also a YouTube channel. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this video. It's very short. It's well worth it. Try and stick with it, certainly through until you see the examples, because then it will start to make sense. And it will also explain why YouTube and Google are so important in terms of generating rankings for you on YouTube. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the 24-hour ranking system from Paul Murphy. This is actually a free bonus, which you can get if you sign up. I have my dog here. When you sign up, you'll come to this page. This is the front end, if you like, of the 24-hour ranking system. I'm going to be really quick here. And now what the Affiliate Tube Success Academy does is it takes you through lots and lots and lots of steps on how to use videos and on YouTube and how to make them work. But it's not just about the ranking on Google and YouTube, which really is the primary objective of your YouTube strategy. But it really helps with understanding how you can work as an affiliate, how you can use it as a product or as a course, some great YouTube tips on using cameras. It's incredibly helpful. So this is the 24-hour ranking system. I'm just going to hide myself here because I keep looking down at the screen to try and show you what I'm doing, and therefore I'm not looking at you anyway, which is another tip. Try and remember to look at the camera on your screen. Anyway, I'm going to give you a quick tour of this 24-hour ranking system. Come in right away and you've got the introduction page, and if you have to scroll down at the moment, Paul Murphy's doing an offer on all of his funnels, which you can get for $47, normal value $3.5 or $3.33. Now, one of the things that ATS and Paul talk about is and you'll know yourself, it can be very expensive to be running Facebook paid campaigns or Google AdSense campaigns. The cost can quickly escalate and you have to keep doing it to keep generating the traffic. Now, the best traffic is organic traffic. And this is what this system shows you how to do. And it works because I've been ranking all over Google and YouTube for lots of things. And again, module 2 takes you through, and he is getting 50% conversion. I think the key thing here is this is the power of 3. Now, I think the key thing is that it's not really all about volume. I mean, unless you want to be an influencer, it's not all about volume. What you really want is qualified traffic, so the right traffic. So you might only have 100 views or 50 views or 200 views, it doesn't really matter, but as long as it's the right traffic coming to your offer. So getting into the niche and understanding the power of trust videos, product videos, problem videos, these are things that Paul talks about in terms of driving conversion. And here we talk about getting equipped, the tools you're going to need, lighting considerations. It really is the full setup of the sorts of tools that are going to make your YouTube strategy work for you. Module 3 is much more detail about actually how to get keywords, lots of tips in here. And this is what kicked me off in the whole keyword love affair, if you like. You'll see that what I've done is given away this course. So there's other products that Paul gives to you in order that you have bonuses to offer customers if you're doing other affiliate products, or in fact, if you're doing your own. But recently, ATS have offered in some bonuses. So you've got the funnel builder package, script writing without copywriters. In fact, he's running a course tonight on script writing and writing ebooks, because one of the benefits of this particular course is you can join the Facebook group, and I'll just quickly show you that. This is the Facebook group. You get it if you join as a member. I think it's actually going to a paid model of, I think, $47. But this is really, really useful. In fact, he just told me talking about is able to rank #1 on YouTube for the product. Here's an example of tonight's webinar, How to Write Best-Selling Book. So Paul's doing an interview with Ty. So it's great actually, and see, you know, thanks a million for all you do for us. It's a good group, and you can pick up lots of tips from other members. What I particularly like about ATS, the ATS course, is they don't really leave you high and dry. So they take you through not just, for example, the camera and the lighting and the scripts and everything else, but they also take you through the funnels. So if you do join Carter, then you know you've got the funnel already pre-built in there. But it's nice to know and to understand how to do funnels. Now Paul also has done work with Groove, and in fact you'll see an interview here that Paul did with Mike Fulsane.
Hey there, what's up? This is Paul. So this is it. This is the exciting bit because we're now going to be able to.
I'll just jump through this. I don't want to give away all Paul's course content, but this is the funnel.
This, it works.
So one of the things he also talks about is, you know, how you target your affiliate products if you want to be an affiliate, and really thinking about the pricing of things and how to make things work for you. As you can see here, he's also got where to get untapped products, which we've mentioned before, but he mentions other places. Yeah, so if you're looking for a way to grow your YouTube strategy, get rankings for your videos and for your business, or especially if you're an affiliate, if you're looking for ways to produce affiliate videos and have them driving traffic and conversions, then this really is worthwhile. It's free, it's worth $997. It takes you through everything that you need to know in order to launch, even if you're a complete beginner. So you really have nothing to lose. You might as well give it a go. So I hope you enjoyed this very quick tour of Affiliate Tube. And just to give you an idea of it working, and I'm not going to go incognito for this because I just want to show you what it means in terms of the video results. So say I do YouTube keyword research 2021. This is what you would expect to see. This is a video that I did earlier. I'm actually doing quite well on this even when I am incognito, but for what I want to show you, it doesn't really matter. Now, what you're going to try and do is obviously get ranked on page 1. And also you want to try and pick up some of the slots on the right-hand side in terms of YouTube suggestions. Now, the 24-hour ranking system can actually help you do that, and it tells you and explains how you can do that. But what I really want to show you is Google. Obviously, YouTube's the second largest search engine in the world, but the largest is Google. So I've done a search here for YouTube keyword research. And what you see are lots of ads at the top. So they're all paid positions in Google. And what you then see are all these videos. They are all free. This is what is meant when the term organic traffic is used. It's slotting in free positions to the search results, which you're not paying for. Let's do an affiliate product that I happen to know about because I use it and I love it. I'm not doing an affiliate with them yet, but I'm pretty sure I will be because they're really good. So again, what you're seeing here with Vidnami is the ads from Vidnami themselves, actually. And then all these videos are most likely being done by affiliate partners. Again, what you're seeing is ad and then free videos. Let's try how to make money online. It's quite a big one. Look, 110,000 searches, price about $2. Ad, full of ads at the top. And then videos. And this is what you're aiming for. You're aiming to get your videos inserted onto the front page of Google. You might notice here is the videos are relatively old. So what you tend to find is the marketing that you do with your videos can be quite evergreen. So once you get ranked and once you start to get into, I mean, I call this the carousel. But once you get into this, you tend to stay there. So that's really what you're aiming for. You're aiming to get your videos pulled through onto YouTube. So that you're getting Google, the largest search engine, and then YouTube, which is the second largest search engine in the world. Like clearly you want to be on page 1 of YouTube as well. Then if I do Paul Murphy ATS, what you see is that on Google, I'm right at the top. So I'm coming up, one and two, and then again, coming up in the images. So if you pick your niche well and you follow the outline that Paul gives you, you will find yourself ranked on both YouTube and Google. So I hope you enjoyed this short review of Affiliate Tube Success. There's links below that you can follow. Please subscribe. And if you liked it, please hit like. If you have any questions about the course, please leave it in the comments. Thanks again for watching this video.